So once you have set up the course, you have set up the drip, now it's time to start getting paid for your membership access, if it's a paid one or if it's a free one, giving accesses to the users for free. Let's find it out. How do you do that? Great. So here you will see within the courses tab, once again you have offers. Within the offer you can create an offer. Again, we have seen this video on how to create the offer and all details about it, so I'll not get into that again. So once you have created the offer, you go to your landing page. Let's say I'll build up a quick landing page here, just an example, quick example for a landing page. I do a new funnel, test landing page. Can we use a funnel template? Okay, let's use a template. Business coaching and consulting, let us use this one. Let's say we use this business services template. I click on continue, adding the template, setting up the color palette, fetching typography, loading the images and so on. So once this template is ready, this is the template that you just installed. Instead of get an appointment, you can simply mention buy now or get the offer, limited period offer, and so on. So something like this. You add CTAs, you can update the content the way you want, you can change the CTA buttons for all the sections. Now I do not see any payment option here. So what we do here is we add a form, we add a new section, we add a full width row, and over here I add an element called order form. Now this could be a two-step order, a one-step order, or a order confirmation. So I add a one-step order form. Now this is the order form. In the order form, you will see, if you click on the advanced option, you will, okay, that's a one-step order form. Shipping, so you can change all of this text, headline, subheadline, company name, let's hide it for now, full name, validation, email address, phone number, toggle shipping. I do not want to show shipping since it's a digital course. Payment, item, price, everything is done, and I click on save, update. This is ready, but we haven't added the product yet. So what I do is I go back. This is the funnel, so home, appointment, and thank you. So I do not need the appointment step. I delete this and I only leave the thank you page. Over here in the products tab, I need to add the product that I want to offer. So I want to offer this product, that is limited period Canva mastery. If you do not see your product listed here, you can simply create a new product by clicking here. You can click here, it takes you to the payments tab, products. You can create a new product. Once you have created the new product, you can come back here to the sites and add the product. So I will add the Canva mastery course, the pricing. So the product is added. I click on save, I come back to overview, and I edit this page again. I know I'm a little fast, but please, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section. I come back to the order section over here. I come back to the order section. That's the order section. Now if you notice, I did not add any product. The moment I added the product here, there, it automatically would update the product. If I want to enable terms and conditions, it gets enabled, sticky contact, and all of these, whatever you want to submit, you submit, you click on save, and you do a preview. Let us now do a preview. I come to the order section. Here is the, so do you see this? Sawan. Again, I need to add the first name and the my email address, my phone number. See the product automatically got updated here. Limited period, upgrade your design skills in Canva. That's for $5. And the PayPal and the other whatever payment gateways you have connected to your backend, the payment gateway would come here. I agree, and then complete order button would be there. So that's how you set up the entire payment system. Once you have done this, you can now define what happens once the payment is done. So once the payment is done, it will automatically move on to the next step, that is the thank you page. So thank you for signing up for the membership course, or whatever your information is. You can give a thank you, send a thank you message, something like this. So thank you for making your first purchase, and your support means the world to us. Thank you for your business. Hope to work with you again. And you can also add an order receipt here. So order confirmation basically. So this would automatically get updated with all the shipping details and every single information that was submitted in the first step. I click on this, update the data, and click on publish. Now once this is done, you connect your domain. Once you are ready to publish, you connect your domain and you click on save, and you would get a domain link. Once you do that, okay, let's do it for you. Let's say sawankumar.com and click on save. Once we have done this, if I come back, I do a refresh, I'll see the domain URL, the URL for my landing page updated here. That's my landing page URL. You can change the URL by going to settings, the path, you can update this, you can put up the codes, the tracking codes, and you are now ready to make sales and collect payments. But it does not stop here, right? You just collected the payment. You haven't given access to the product, you haven't given access to the course, you haven't given access to the client portal. So how do you do that? Let's see this in the next one.